Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Jolie Knots. I am Crystal. I have some questions today for the pendulum. It is just past 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to split this into two. One for political, and then the other one, I guess, just for other current events that I have questions for. That way, whoever doesn't want to watch the political ones don't have to. Okay. So let's do this. Hopefully I don't shake as much as I did yesterday. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I get a better setup here so you guys don't, or so you guys can see well. Okay, good morning. Good morning to you. We've had 3 plane crashes in the last 8 days in the USA. Will there be more? Strong yes. Show me your energy, please. Thank you. How many more plane crashes will there be? $20. Thank you. Are there going to be approximately 20 more plane crashes in the USA? Strong, yes. Is it safe for Americans to fly right now? Strong, no. 20 freaking plane crashes. Are you kidding me? Let's see. How many weeks span will this plane crash happen? How many weeks will span through these plane crashes? What is 15 weeks? Well, I'm not sure how to break that down for you guys. So if you want to just maybe leave a comment and ask if it's going to be your state or if you have travel plans, then we can ask. But that seems like a lot, and I don't think I'm going to get on a plane anytime soon. Not that I was going to. Okay, let's see. What is the next, the next plane crash that happens, what state will it be departing from? T. Let's see, it's Texas, Tennessee. What else? I think it's just Texas and Tennessee. Will there be a plane crash from a plane departing in Texas? No. Will there be a plane crash from a plane departing from Tennessee? Strong yes. Will this happen in the month of February? Yes. What is the percentage likelihood of this plane crashing? %40. Are you saying that there's a 40% chance that a plane leaving and departing from Tennessee is going to crash? Yes. I mean, any percent is not good, obviously, but 40% is not like, at least it's not 100. You know, that means that there's still free will. Obviously, there's still free will. Oh, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Everyone's got free will, you guys. When you're trying to figure out the future, it is never 100%. It's never absolute. People have free will and people have different thoughts and different ideas, and you don't know what they're going to do. So you only have like an idea of what might happen. I mean, obviously it's different when you're looking at the past and you're asking the pendulum about the past. Okay, let's ask about the Super Bowl. Is the Super Bowl scheduled for Sunday, February 9th, going to be delayed? Mild, yes. What is the percentage likelihood of the Super Bowl being delayed from Sunday? %50. Will this be because of protests happening? Yes, thank you. Okay, so you've got a 50% chance Super Bowl is going to be delayed. Let's check with Mardi Gras. Will the scheduled Mardi Gras date be delayed? Yes. What is the percentage likelihood of Mardi Gras being delayed? Ooh, 80%. That's a pretty big likelihood. Okay, there you have it. I will start another video and post that up a little bit later about political stuff and votes and all those, the big oligarchs guys. And hopefully you all have a good weekend. Oh, you know what? Let me ask one more thing. Don't forget, this is for entertainment purposes only. The plane that's going to crash from Tennessee, will it be a commercial airliner? No. Will there be more than one plane crash leaving from Tennessee? No. Okay. Well, you don't have to worry as much. Sorry. I mean, that's good, but it's still bad that there's going to be a crash. All right, guys. I will see you next time.